So in this Adobe Express tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add filters to images here in Adobe Express. So I'm just going to go ahead here to the left hand side of my screen and add a photo that I want to add a filter to. So let's just say, for example, I want to search up, how about a photo? What's a good photo here? How about I search up a photo? I'll just use the featured free options right here. And let's just say I wanted to change the filter of what's a good, oh, this one might be good. Actually, no, how about this one if the house is right here? This one might be good. So I'll just use this photo right here of these colorful houses and whatever city or town this is. It looks actually pretty cool. If you ask me, the mountains in the background, very nice. Okay, but anyways, if you wanted to apply a filter to this photo, it's super simple. What I want you to do is here is first press on the photo to open up this screen on the right hand side. I want you to go down to where it says effects. I want you to go down to where it says filters, and I want you to turn that on. So I'm just going to go ahead here and press filters and turn that on. So once you're here, a bunch of different options here. So you can change the duotone, grayscale, darken, lighten, matte, contrast, colorize, multiply, you name it, it doesn't really matter. You can sort of play around with the filters that way. Now, if you press on these two options right here, it actually brings you into a different color scheme. So you can keep kind of going through it that way to get different contrast options. Let's just say, for example, you wanted to keep this and have kind of a more blue background. Once that is done, pretty simple, just press the X right here, and there you go. That is how you guys can apply filters to any images you want here in Adobe Express. I hope this video helped.